Very good afternoon. You're watching the newsroom right here on ET Now. I'm Ajay Sharma. Markets are lackluster today. Well, there is a lot of global inputs which are coming in. In the morning, there was a positive news from Chinese side. The September PMI data manufacturing was good. But now around the European markets opening, we are back to very lackluster trade. But a lot of interesting developments are happening overall in the world of finance. Last evening, SEBI has come out and announced that they would be introducing code of conduct for fund managers. Indian regulator will be looking at a series of instructions, kind of a manual, tweaking rules of situations where company has to also disclose details. But this conduct of fund managers has become an issue to talk about in the market. So we thought of getting you a view by someone who's very experienced in the markets as well as on the corporate law side. We have Sandeep Parekh, who's a financial services lawyer and founder of Finsec Law Advisors, joining us on the phone line. Sandeep, good afternoon. Thank you very much for your time. How do you analyze this announcement from the SEBI side, conduct of fund managers? We have all been talking about various situations for so many years which have happened, but this time SEBI coming out and announcing that they would come out with special rules for fund managers' conduct. Your thoughts?
Hi. So my thoughts are that I think, the existing rules are principle-based and they kind of already cover what is expected of the fund manager really. So I'm not very sure we really need something in addition. I just think we need a clearer enforcement of the existing regulations. So if somebody misbehaves, take action against them. And SEBI, of course, has sufficient powers to do that. I'm not very sure we actually need, things about what time the fund manager should wake up. I think the broad principles are already there. And I think the idea should be to focus on enforcement rather.
Interesting point. Sandeep, but lately fund managers are coming in focus and spotlight, isn't it? Perhaps because of a lot of active strategies in not really beating the markets or whatever the reason, their remuneration, and now again the need for fresh rules. Where is it all coming from in your view?
So I think, whatever one or two funds are in controversy. So again, as I said, the real response should be if somebody has or has taken calls which have in hindsight not gone well, I don't think that should really have any impact. But fund managers actually have taken positions which were actually wrong positions, not in hindsight, but on the date on which they were taken. Then action should be taken against those fund managers. As I said, we already have fairly well understood principles of fiduciary duty, which go into, the duties of a fund manager and the AMC itself of care, diligence, and loyalty. So if any of those principles are really violated, SEBI should be taking action against them. And instead, what will happen is the 43 other funds which have actually are completely compliant with the law, this will just add to compliance burden, and this is not actually going to stop. It's not as if a crooked person is going to stop being crooked because a new code of conduct has come into place. So I'm not sure it actually benefits anybody at all, least of all fund managers who want to kind of twist and turn and try to find shortcuts.
All right, Sandeep, we'll let you go on that one. Clarification, in a way, very important, actually points coming in from Sandeep, that it's more about enforcement, not about coming out with new rules. And it should be very specific action, not, largely conduct of any specific fund manager should be taken, not for the entire sector.